Hey Mocha babies, I am back with another mother freaking video, yo. Hey Mocha babies, I am back with another mother freaking video. As you guys can tell by the title, I'm doing my business inventory haul. I'm starting my own business. Boss, I'm a boss, business boss, boss girl, own boss.
Boy, if you don't get
Enough rambling. I don't want a long introduction, but today I'm going to be showing you all of my inventory. I have sunglasses or shades, whatever you want to call them. I have shades, lashes, bonnets, and jewelry. And yeah, I'll just show y'all everything. So enough rambling. Let's get into the mother freaking video. We're gonna start off with my lashes. So first, I'm gonna show you my lashes. I have 4 different styles. So let me show you that. These are the boxes. Well, let me show you a better look. This is the box. I should have got something put right here. Why didn't I? I don't know. So we're gonna put a sticker. But this is the box, and then this is the back. Focus, shoddy, focus. It's kind of ghetto. And here's something ghetto I did. You see Mochalux. You see it's Mochalux.com. It's supposed to be Mochalux C. And that's how ghetto of me. I forget to put the C, but it's okay. It's okay. So that was just, I had a mental breakdown, but we're not going to talk about that. But this is the back, and Mocha's Luxury Collections, my Facebook and my Instagram. So yes, I feel cute. It's glittery. I didn't really want glitter. I wanted it matte black, but they already made them. And I was just like, what do you mean? This is my first lash. This is my diamond ones. These are on the more so dramatic and wispy, look, but they're super cute to me. To focus. Then, to go on the smaller size, these are my dream. Everybody doesn't like exotic, like, me. So, I have to think small. Well, for other people too. These are my next small ones. These are called Royalty. I need to take this little sticker off. I haven't done all that yet. But, yes, this is Royalty. For my Adore lashes, can you say? These are the ones I have on now. Very wispy and very cute. Not giving you bare minimum, babe. And last but not least, these are my favorite. They're so cute. Can you see? I know you can see them. But they're not giving the effect like they're supposed to give. Like, give what you're supposed to give. I haven't wore them out yet though. I haven't worn this style. But yes, this is my my Essence. This is my Essence lash. My favorite. But these are the most wispy, I guess you can say. Like, they curl up. Like, they're so freaking cute. I love them. But yes, those are the 4 style lashes I have. And I'm gonna show you my glue and my tweezers. So this is the glue. I got them. I put stickers on them. And it says Mochalux Cosmetics. It doesn't want to focus like a weirdo. But Mochalux Cosmetics. I didn't say my name yet. So my business name is Mocha's Luxury Collections. If you don't know, you already know my name is Mocha. Simply Mocha. That's me, your Mocha babes. Mocha's Luxury Collections is the name of my business name. So Mocha, everything. But it says Mochalux Cosmetics, if you can see. And then these are my tweezers. Can you focus? They're kind of like a rainbow iridescent look. I don't know why the little tack is right there. But yes, these are my tweezers. And they gave me free lashes because they messed up my order. So these are the other ones. These are so cute to me. They're like exotic, babe. They're exotic. And these are cute as freak too. This is the background I wanted. But they gave me glitter. That's how they messed up. But we're not going to talk about that. So now, let's get into my bonnets. So I have a lot of bonnets. I'm so blessed. All these different design. I got 4 different styles for the bonnets. This is the first one. Should I open them for you? Is that doing too much? I'll open them for you. I'll open one. So I'm gonna show you. This is the first one. This is my white Louis Vuitton rainbow colored bonnet. Yes. Then I have the CDG, or Como des Gordons. Como des Gordons. Como des Gordons designer bonnet. It's white and red with the little eyeballs. You already know. If you know the style, you know. I have my pink and white Dior bonnet. And this is my favorite and seems to be everybody's favorite. This is the Bape rainbow color one. It is really cute. I can't even keep one for myself because I'd rather sell them than, you know, have it. I'll buy some more on my second restock. But yes, I'm gonna open them for you. This is how they look. Pretty big. I mean, más o menos. I really want to get more that are long because I'm thinking of women with braids and, you know, longer hair. So I think that would be really cute. It comes with a black band, a stretchy band. But on the inside, it's just white. And on the back, it's the design. I'm so excited! I'm gonna be a rich. Boy, okay, now I'm gonna show you my sunglasses. So as you can tell, like, they're not in boxes because I've already went through my stuff. I have to take pictures for my website. You know, your girl's already fun to do this. I'm just late on posting on YouTube, and that's very ghetto of me. Very. So these are these are all my sunglasses. So I got 4 different styles for my sunglasses too. So I'm gonna show you the first. The first is my rhinestone shaded glasses. Very cute, giving summer vibes. Next, I call them my brown shaded, but I don't know if that's a good name. But I love these. Like, these are my favorite pair. So these are the brown shaded sunglasses. Super duper cute. My fingerprints on there. I'm sorry. I just did that. But yes, these are my favorite glasses. Like, I have a pair of these my life before. And these are my favorite. I was like, I have to get them. I know everybody loves them. And next is these Dior beige glasses. These are freaking cute. They don't look cute on me. I think because I have a small head. But they're really cute. So this is how they look. And then on the side, it's like a D. Isn't that hella cute? You know it's cute, girl. Don't even lie. Don't even lie. It's on the other side too. Yeah, they don't look that cute. I mean, they're really big on my face. So are they big on my face? Would you tell me? Are they big? Do they look cute on me? Last but not least, I have these black shaded sunglasses. All black, glossy. These are the oversized, square shape. They're all square shaped because I like square shaped glasses, so I'm gonna sell square shaped glasses. You shouldn't sell anything you wouldn't wear, and I will wear every single pair of these, but not the Dior ones. But I also have sampled these glasses. These are way freaking cuter because they're matte. They're like can you tell? They're matte around. I think that's cute. But yeah, shawty. And I sampled this other pair too. I like these. I'm gonna keep these for myself.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Don't play with her. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. Don't play with shawty. Don't play with shawty. Don't play with shawty. I didn't do good on my corner. But don't look. Don't look. Now you look weirdo. So next, I got jewelry. So I have necklaces with this Capricorn chain. This is what I was going to do at first, like zodiac signs. But I thought it'd be better if I don't do zodiac signs and I do ones that say baby, baby girl, and princess. I think those were cuter because more of a girly vibe. But I for sure will be doing the zodiac signs because I love my Capricorn. I'm everyone's favorite Capricorn. So first, I have my stuff all over the place. So this is my baby girl chain, gold plated. I don't remember the sizing, but I have it written down. But this is the baby girl, super cute. water resistant. I wear this in the shower. It's from the same, I think it's from the same, yes, it's from the same vendor. I wear mine in the shower all the time. Does pretty good on a girl. Ain't turned yellow yet. This is the baby one. Super cute. She's a little smaller, but she's still fire. Focus, Thuder. There you go. I kind of opened this one, so it's not closed, but it's okay. This is the princess one. Can you see her? My nails aren't cute right now. I'm sorry. But this is her. She's really cute. They're not super long around your neck. They're more so like the one I have, but they have like extra, I don't want to say holes. What do you want to call them? I guess holes, so you can hook on. But mine is right here. I have mine to probably like the closest one. I wanted to keep it like a stacked. I really want to put it right here, but it's fine. And then last but not mother freaking least, I got anklets, and these are I sampled so much stuff. These are the anklets. So I thought anklets would be cute because I want to launch in the summertime, more of a spring. Like, I'm trying to launch the next 2 weeks. So I guess this is springtime, but getting ready for summer. So I thought these anklets would be really cute. I got one for myself when I sampled it. I wore it in the shower, did all that. Can you guys see it? I know you've seen these before. Everyone's seen these before. But yes, I chose silver. Don't call me ghetto, but I realized when I was editing, I didn't show my thank you cards or my business cards. I pulled them out, but I just didn't show. But these are my thank you cards. I made both of these myself. If y'all want a video on how I did that, just let me know. These are the thank you cards. Well, on the front it says thank you for your purchase and for helping me by supporting my business. Please enjoy 10% off your next purchase, babe. And then the code is here. And then if you sign up when you first join my website, it's like an email. So just put your email and then you will get the code. And then I have my website at the bottom. It's mochaluxurycollections.com. I haven't dropped yet, but I'm dropping this week or this weekend. So, you know, be ready. And then on the back, it says thank you. And then I have, thank you for supporting me in the upcoming start of my business. I appreciate you and trusting me. I would never let you down, luxurious baby. I have a quote. I had a whole bunch of quotes I liked. And then I just picked this one. I said, no matter where you are in life, inspire and empower women around you. Why am I moving my hands so much? No matter where you are in life, inspire and empower women around you. Success is never reached alone, and wisdom and wealth are sweeter. We're gonna wait. Start over. No matter where you are in life, inspire and empower women around you. Success is never reached alone, and wisdom and wealth are sweeter when it's shared. You feel me? Think real hard about it. That's a good quote. I really like that. And then these are my business cards. Shawty made them herself, yeah. Debit card, black card, because we luxurious over here, babe. No regular cards, blue. Your card's blue? Bye. That black card. What? Yes, that's the back. And I'm gonna read it. So it's like the numbers on the front. It says luxurious babe. On the back, it has my website, mochaluxury.com. Go sign up to be the first to know when I drop. And then I have my YouTube, my Instagram, and then my email. Follow us on Instagram at Mocha's Luxury Collections. And then, y'all, my YouTube. And then my email is mochasluxcollections@gmail.com. So email me if needed. And then I have my hashtags at mochaluxy and Mocha's Luxury Collections. Go follow me on Instagram at Mocha's Luxury Collections. And follow my regular Instagram at mocha.curls. And that's all my stuff. I'm going to do another video on business essentials for small businesses at home. Well, I want to say online businesses at home. Like all my shipping stuff I had got. Everything from Amazon. Everything USPS. My Shopify account. Like I want to show all of that. So I'm going to do another video on that. Thank you guys for watching. If you watched the entire video, you was a real mocha baby. You was a mocha baby. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, What are you doing? You're missing out. Thank you guys for subscribing, and thank you guys for watching my entire video. I'll be back with another video.